I have this terrible habit of dreaming up huge projects and then never actually starting them. So today I'm giving myself exactly 1 hour in my garage, and whatever gets done, gets done. I've rearranged this garage before. The problem is between two Porsches, two motorcycles, and everything else I have in here, it still feels cramped all the time. So I'm giving myself exactly 1 hour to make it all better. So let's at least get these cars and bikes out of the garage. The timer has started. We have 1 hour to figure this all out, so let's see what we can do. I got some stuff that can just go in the shed and or be just thrown out entirely, so let's start with that. Got my generator here, so this can just go in the shed because I have never used it. I also have these little workshop table things. These can also go in the shed as they've only been used once when I redid one of the rooms in my house. So obviously they're not used enough to be in the garage every day. My old fish tank, which I haven't had fish in about 2 or 3 years. Figure I might as well just get rid of it and or put it in the shed. So now we gotta take care of this wall. I'm thinking put the toolbox closer to the front of the garage so I can access it easier, because sometimes it's very hard for me to get in there since I usually have a car there. So let's at least start moving that. That toolbox is like my little home over there, my little desk, if you will. All these boxes right here are all, I'm sorry, I'm sweating, it's so hot out today. But these are all parts for the cars. I know some of them are like the original Cayman tail lights, that's those two. The one up there is some extra shifter cables and stuff. I got a lot of parts over here, so I gotta figure out a way to organize those better. I'm gonna need to maybe put them in the toolbox. I'm not really sure what I can fit, or we're gonna have to at least put them somewhere where they're not just out in just a bunch of random cardboard boxes. If anyone is interested in some 718 OEM taillights, let me know. You can have them free of charge. I always forget I have these. These are LED garage lights. We should see if we can put these in. I don't think it's going to be able to be done in an hour, but I'm going to leave them out. I also found this air filter. It's like a performance air filter. I had it for my 718, but then when I bought the car and went to put this in, there was already one in there, the exact same thing. So I never really had a use for it. I just kept it. I'm gonna see if it could actually go in the Boxster. I'm not sure. If anyone could let me know. I don't know how that works mechanically, but I want to see if this can go in the Boxster possibly. I feel like that looks pretty good. I always liked, when there's like garages with colorful floors. I'm not spending any money on this right now. The goal is to kind of just get you to also rearrange your garage and make your garage look a little bit better, because I know yours is messy. I know you haven't cleaned it out. I know you got boxes in there you don't even want. I know it. You got tools in there that don't even work. You got socket wrenches that are stuck still in the toolbox. So you don't want to get rid of them. Get rid of it all. If you haven't used anything in over like 2 years, just throw it out. Life lesson by yours truly. But I think this looks pretty good. Let's finish up on this wall as well. I want to make that corner all detailing stuff. For some reason I didn't have it like that. I had detailing stuff here and detailing stuff there and then tools in the middle, which didn't really make any sense. So I want to make that corner all detailing stuff. So we'll put the shop back there. We'll put the power washer there. Alright, so we are running a little low on time here, so I kind of just got to get done when I can get done. I got like 10-15 minutes left here. I'm on and off about leaving this rug in here. I think if I just remove it, it would probably just look a lot better. Regardless, all these boxes still have to get to the garage, including the generator, so I got about 10 minutes to do that, so let's see if I can get them back there in 10 minutes. Alright, so we just hit the 1 hour mark. It's been an hour exactly, and I got everything out of the driveway, all the garbage and the boxes. We got the whole detailing set up in this little corner, so we got the shop vac on that little shelf thing, power washer bucket, all my towels and cleaning stuff, my riding stuff, bicycle and poker table are just in the corner. We got the flags hung back up, kind of rehung this stuff, didn't really have much time to put it over there, but we got the toolboxes and the little tool cart over here. So let's get these hands washed and get the cars and bikes back in here. Starting to rain. So, you know, I got stuck when I was moving the Boxster. I backed it in and it was a little too close to the bikes, and I was a little too close on the Cayman. So I said, all right, let me just pull it in. And as you can see right here, right there, I think I just hit it. I just hit the car into a wall. So that's how that went. Here's me assessing the damage, but then also realizing that it's the Boxster and the bumper is already cooked, so I don't care. Smack the Boxster into the bike. Yeah, nice job, John. Guy's an idiot. Lucky for us, the Boxster's bumper is already shot, so it really doesn't matter. Alright, well, it's definitely not the dream garage, but it's better than it was, and honestly, that's enough. There's a lot more things I want to start doing around my house. This is just the only one that's kind of related to cars. So I figured I'd start with this one, and maybe I'll make a little series out of this. 1 hour, one improvement type of thing. That might be kind of cool, you know? And hopefully inspire some other people out there to take 1 hour out of their day and just improve something in their house or clean up something in their house. But yeah, so hopefully this will become a series, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.